Who's in the mood for some shopping? I found the perfect little shop that's everything you hope to find shopping in Italy. An authentic family run shop filled to the ceiling with a mix of vintage and new collectibles and decor. And right now, they also have incredible Christmas items. Oh, you make this makes the car go? This goes with this?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. I remember troll dolls from the 1980s.
Come erano chiamati invece prima? Ma cosa? I trolls. Ai nostri tempi come li chiamavamo?
Oh,
Sì.
what is this? Oh,
I
cards.
dam li
Nice.
chiamavamo.
Very, oh, cute. Wow, these are very old dune buggy cars. 60. Very cute. Is something inside this one?
Ferrari, Formula 1.
There's a, ooh.
Ferrari.
Ooh. Can we see that? I bet some people would love to see that.
Very, very special.
I'm sure. Special Ferrari model collectors.
Because it's numbered production.
Ah, even better.
Only many.
Be a wonderful Christmas gift for a collector, I'm sure. Wow.
The story, the number.
Ah. Oh, well, that is beautiful. From 1974.
Niki Lauda.
Beautiful.
Se non ricordo male. 1974. Ferrari, Pim Pumpa. Serie limitata. Limited edition.
See, limited edition. Fantastic. So many toys. Oh, Geppetto. You know who that is? That's Geppetto. And another Pinocchio for 35. Does she move? Hi, everyone. Does she move and hit the duck?
Yes.
Fantastic.
For little children. Come si dice trainabile?
This is Old Toys. It's run by two sisters, Daniela and Michaela, with their sweet, sweet dog Kenny. It was their grandfather Ferruccio who started the shop in 1920. The wooden shelves, drawers, and table immediately tell you some of the history of this sweet shop. Mouth blown and handmade tree toppers. Fantastic. And Kenny is guarding them. What a good guard dog you are, Kenny. So cute.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful. Wow, all the details all around. That's amazing. It's this big. It's beautiful. What's the price for this one?
Quanto costa questo? 145.
145. Beautiful.
Sì, quel biglietto con il gattino che cucina. Sì, che tenta di cucinare. Sì. What's this here?
Okay. This is amazing. It's so detailed.
Angels, the family.
The angels all over the tree, and the Holy Family, and a star on the tree. So beautiful. Santa is flying over. But Santa turns when this is on.
The train.
When the
The center, yes.
Oh, Santa doesn't move though. The tree moves.
Yes.
No. Okay. But Santa's flying over the village. The little snowman right there is so cute. All the presents under the tree. It's beautiful.
Bello. Ci si incanta a guardarlo, bellissimo.
So many details. Oh, I don't have to turn it. He's turning for me. All by himself. Vamos al chair. All the little animals. Wow, it's heavy. This is very heavy. He's got an apple in there and a train and a present. Good job, Santa. And the little tree. So nice.
Steam.
Steam? There's steam! It's a steam train.
New
Sì.
song.
It's amazing. Shopping and antiquing in Italy is so much fun. Click on our antiquing playlist right here for lots more. As always, thanks so much for shopping with me today.